Hello everyone and welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are going to create an effective modern slide design in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, let's set up our background. You can use a solid color or an image. Next, we will create the shape of our image. Insert a rounded rectangle and set the height and width of the rectangle to 3.96 inches. Now, fill the rectangle with a nice blue color and rotate it 45 degrees. The rotation adds a bit of visual interest and a modern flair. Now, let's duplicate the blue shape, then change the outline color to light blue color. Set the outline width to 5 points and remove the fill, so it's just the outline. We can adjust the rounded corners of the both shapes with the yellow dots to get the exact look we want. Duplicate the blue color rectangle and insert a picture inside it. You will notice the picture is also rotated. To make the picture on-rotate, uncheck the rotate with shape. Then adjust the size of the shape and remove the outline. After that, select all the shapes and shape it as a picture to create a single object. We will use this process to create 5 pictures. Once you have them, insert them into your slide. Arrange the pictures. Set the scale height and width to 50% for all of them. Now use align tools to distribute the pictures horizontally and align them to the middle. To create a dynamic visual, move the last 2 images down and remaining 2 images slightly up. Now, select the first image and increase its size. We will blur the remaining images so that the main image gets focused. Apply a 50-point blur from the soft edges menu. Let's repeat this for the other images. Apply the same blur effect to each one. Next, insert the necessary text. After that, duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. On the new slide, take the first image and resize it to match the others. Now take your second image which you want to highlight and bring it to the center. Position the first image below with the rest of the blurred image. Remove the blur from the new image and resize it to make it the focus on this new slide. Then align it to the middle. Don't forget to blur the image below. Repeat this process for the remaining images on their respective slides. Once you have all 5 slides, copy the title text from the second slide and paste it into the first slide. Do the same for the remaining slides. Then select all the slides by pressing Ctrl+A and apply the morph transition with a duration of 1 second. Press F5 to view the result.